Hi, I'm Colleen. My team and I would like to talk about how digital business can further assist Shopback. Shopback is an e-commerce company that specializes on cashback rewards. Currently, Shopback has a combination of affiliate marketing and transaction broker business model, which revenue are depending on sale commission from the affiliate merchant. However, we would think that Shopback should also develop community provider business model. This is because Shopback has a large database of users around the region. Shopback can provide a channel for users to share reviews and recommendations that purely on products. With this additional business model, Shopback can also generate a subscription-based revenue by creating a premium access for the users. For those users who sign up the premium account, they are able to access exclusive deals, rewards, or get higher cashback. So now, I'll pass to Li Her to talk about the digital marketing tools can be better used for Shopback.
Hi, this is Li Her. I'm here to talk about Shopback's digital marketing. This is a list of digital marketing strategies which Shopback has utilized in gaining their current digital presence. And now, we have two marketing tools which we feel that it will help them scale even further. Firstly, it's augmented reality, and next would be virtual reality. Augmented reality adds digital elements to the real world around a user, whereas virtual reality, on the other hand, puts a real user in a virtual world. These two tools could craft experience, engage consumer, and encourage conversion rates. More than ever, marketing is being driven by the wants and needs of the customer. As new technology becomes available, customer wants brand to deliver experience that use it. This means that it is important that marketers keep pace with the new advance in order to meet customers' expectation and deliver the best possible experience. We consider the fact that these technologies are already disrupting sectors. Failing to utilize them could leave them behind. We have came up with 3 ideas that will work well for all 3 parties: Shopback, merchants, and shoppers. So the first idea is AR platform with physical merchant store and also geofencing. So when a user arrives at the store, they will receive push notification on the app, and then once they open it, they will see the product that's being advertised based on their preference. And then a visual arrow and indication will actually lead them to the right aisle on the mobile screen. Once they arrive at the right aisle, the information of the product and cashback will appear. So other than that, they could actually try on the products from clothes, makeup at the store, or they can bookmark the product, and then when they arrive home, they could actually try to test the fitting of, let's say, appliances or furniture at home. So the next idea is Shopback Digital Mall with VR platform. Merchants can host their virtual store on this online platform, and users can access it through Shopback website or mobile apps. It's a new way for users to shop and try out products such as a new car test drive, a pick on the luxury cruise, or even a tour down Italy before making big purchase at the comfort of their home. And recommendation could actually based on users' past browser history and purchases. And lastly, we have gamification with AR platform. Shopback could partner with Unity in develop an AR in-app game. The cute Shopback mascot will only appear when users activate their Shopback Go after paying for a meal or check out at a partner merchant store. Users are to interact and capture the moment in the system. Moment collected to be redeemable as points for rebate with any participating merchants in the future. And now I'll pass the time to Marcus.
Thank you, Li He. Hi, I'm Marcus from Group 5. So the team essentially will be deep diving into blockchain technology and showing you guys how actually can blockchain technology create a positive and great impact for Shopback in the near future. So the team actually identified two problems. Firstly is Shopback takes about 60 to 120 days to check, authenticate, and also validate a particular transaction before releasing a cashback to the customers. So in our context, we find that probably it's too long. And as we look deeper into a Shopback website, they actually have terms and conditions to justify to the consumers why they are taking such a long time, and it's for good reasons or due to complex process from a consumer's angle to the merchant's angle, and validations needs to be confirmed, and fulfillments needs to be processed. That is why consumers have a long wait. By the end of the day, as a consumer, we wouldn't really be bothered about this. The key thing is, as a consumer, I want to spend, I want to get the best deal, I want to maximize my cashback, and I want to get it fast so that I can fulfill my next purchase in time for the next 7/7 sales or midnight sales or whatnot. Yeah. So essentially, Shopback also faced some backlash because a lot of consumers felt the same way as the team thought was. Yeah. So for problem number 2, right, it's about data hacking. Just imagine as a consumer, you wake up and then you take out your phone and then you saw a recent news saying that under Straits Time, data compromise, millions of Shopback customer data found and sold on hackers forums. So imagine as a consumer, you saw this headline alone, and then how will you feel? Probably you will not go to Shopback anytime soon because you are worried for your personal data, and this alone will actually cause a major branding, consumer trust, and consumer retention impact on a Shopback. And this means that their hard work since 2014 will be greatly affected by just a single angle of problem, which is these two problems: data hacking and also the long wait for the cashback to the customers and merchants. So what is blockchain? It's actually a database whereby it stores data in blocks or in groups, holding sets of information collectively together, and then once it's full, capacity is being put aside and chained to the previous full block of data. So this creates an encrypted fixed timeline and timestamp for every individual block, promoting cost savings in the near future, high data integrity, and also increased speed in transactions to tackle problem 1 and problem 2, which I have emphasized earlier on. So without further ado, I'll hand over this time to Lawrence to deep dive into what exactly it can help Shopback achieve in the future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lawrence, and I'm sharing with you about the security, the efficiency, and the cost reduction of using blockchain for Shopback. So blockchain is a good solution to maintain the security of accounts and the data of Shopback. Blockchain technology's digital landscape is a package of security and transparency. Blockchain brings techniques to tackle data management issues, mainly related to security, privacy, and verification. Terms and conditions are encoded into software that operates in the background and enforces them, that can automate the workflow or program to start only when the conditions of the agreement are met. It is also a distributed ledger that cannot be tampered with. Blockchain is so secure that will definitely be known by Shopback if anyone accesses or tampers with a block, and every action will be recorded. Trust also among partners and relationships will increase because blockchain technology increases the credibility of Shopbacks, as companies will know it can trust the organization with data and security. Shopback will become a viable choice for such organizations that know about the structure of blockchain. A safer and more secure way of recording and storing information as well. And it also reduces the potential of being hacked substantially, as blockchain is fully loaded with nodes, and to hack most of the nodes concurrently is impossible. Blockchain technology has the ability to do checking and authentication in a matter of seconds. This will solve the problem of consumers having to wait for their transactions to get authenticated, and it will happen way faster. So it creates efficiencies in processing transactions, reducing manual tasks such as grouping and analyzing data. Audits internally get easier, analyzing data quicker and more securely to provide to its merchants. With more efficient data processing, better or quicker implementation of improvements to its platforms or processes can be implemented to the benefit of the consumer. There's also improved speed in analyzing and aggregating data transactions. This leads to quicker and better platform improvement due to their happy consumers. Shopback will enjoy cost saving through blockchain technology, as blockchain enforces the responsibilities of each party through cryptographic and smart contracts in their agreements, and leads to further reduction in transaction costs such as bookkeeping. It also conveniently integrates inventory management, accounting, product information, and images with other business activities. This results in a highly reduced spending on maintenance of these systems.
I'm Trevin, and now I will present on the potential problems and potential solutions Shopback might face when they implement blockchain technology. As for the problems, there are a few. For example, lack of partners due to that blockchain is a relatively new technology. Implementation costs requires immense computing power just because of the amount of resources that blockchain requires for it to run properly. Regulatory environment, as it is a bit risky at this point of time for certain governments with not enough knowledge about that they are not able to pass a law to allow it in all places. And bad reputation has always been associated with certain criminal activity and usage of dark web and stuff like that. As for potential solutions, lack of partners does not mean no partners, so there's definitely someone out there, experts, companies doing blockchain. Shopback, as we know, is big enough and has the spending power and ability to scale its resources to tackle that. And as we can see with recent reports and stuff, more governments are allowing blockchain to be used in their country. And now let's move into the conversion of technologies. Shopback increases, it is also going to require more technologies to be more efficient. So as currently as we know, Shopback is using big data and Internet of Things to run its analytics and data management. With that, we are thinking of introducing blockchain as mentioned, as well as AI. And with all these four elements working together, we can see that potentially the benefit will be that Shopback can make data more secure, increasing the quantity of the data provided and the quality of data. And this will benefit customers with better and quicker platform improvements, and merchants with accurate and increased data to cater to market they are in for personalization and better client acquisition. And concluding this whole presentation, we have touched upon based from starting from an infographic on what Shopback is currently doing and how it was founded and what the state is at now. And with this, we are proposing a few methods where Shopback can expand into a wider market, provide better services to merchants and customers, as well as improve their technologies and processes to bring them to the next age of shopping and the future of technology. Thank you.